Right, good morning. We're out on a nice day today. Lovely, look at this. Fantastic. It's only a little bit of breeze, nothing to worry about. Blue skies and it's forecast for all day. So it's Thursday the 19th of March today. Finally going to make the run down to Goldolphin Woods and maybe the house. See what the bike parking is like there. I've got my National Trust card so I can go and have a look around if it's okay. Right, we're out on the electric today. I've had 2 days of that I've not filmed out on the ordinary bike. I'm trying to get my fitness up again. Keep trying, but my knees and hips are struggling a little bit, but I did okay. I did 8 miles yesterday. Just come out of Cornwall and going through bottom of Pen Ponds, and we'll make our way down to Goldolpin Cross. Everybody seems to be out cutting their grass today. I've got a lovely smell of fresh cut grass this morning. Right, I'm using commute again today. So it's brought me down a lane that I've not been down before, which I always enjoy, as long as they come out somewhere. Occasionally it does it and it's down to a private house. This one did say public bridleway, so horses can come, I can come. But I think I'm going to turn around and go along the road. Yeah, although it's a beautiful day today, it's still a lot of the lanes are still flooded, so I'm not going to mess about with them today. Oh, it's a little excursion. Didn't get very far, but that's okay. Back on the road. Right, we're just coming into Cornwall Green, little village. Muddy. But not too bad. It's a public footpath here, it says. I'm not going to walk up through, I just want to show you all the daffodils. Plenty of daffodils about now, as you can see. Fields and fields of them. But that's not what we're after really, I just thought I'd show you quickly. We're now coming into Leeds town. Got a nice posh car shop here. Old cars, old Jags, well that's one. Yeah, I think they're all Jaguars. Yeah. Very nice. And now you'll see very well with this reflection. There's an LD type Jaguar. Yeah, great with the reflection here. But if you ever want an old jag, this is the place to come. I think we turn left up here, down to Goldolpin Cross. Right, you can see we've got the entrance to Goldolphin Woods on our left, but we're going to go just have a quick look up around the house a minute to see what the bike parking situation is, and we turn right here into the National Trust property. Right, this is Goldolphin house entrance. Alright, have you got any bike parking?
You can, we've got bike racks over there, or if you want, you can just leave it along the side of here if you want.
Yeah. Alright. Right, I've left my bike by the gatehouse. He said he'll look after it for me. So we're into Goldolphin, an ancient garden and landscape waiting to be discovered. So we're just going to have a walk around for half an hour, see what we can see. I think we've got the cafe there. Yeah, it's pretty early in the season, so there's not many people about. But just have a quick look. Here we have the tea room. Little library, toilets and a cafe in there. Just gonna have a look inside a second, see what we've got. These are the stables. Got some nice old carts here. Not going to go into too much detail on them. The old beams. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see how well this camera copes in this sort of light. There is a walk down there through the woods, but it looks like it's closed off probably after the recent storms. Let's just go in through here in a minute, have a look. Up into the garden. Somebody's cutting the grass. Get away from this lawnmower. I think the house itself is only open the last weekend of the month. We'll walk into the gardens. A few trees down here, unfortunately. Right, we're just coming down to this building to have a look. Love the floor. Right, this is leading up to the top half. Again, very dark in here. Oh. Just gonna have a quick look around the gardens again. These are the cat gardens. Plenty of sitting places here anyway. Lots of daffodils here as well. Can't move for daffodils in Cornwall this time of year. This is the old dairy. Yeah, looks like it. Oh, we've got a cow. Hello, Polly. See what's in here. The King's Garden. Enjoyed it. Not been in this bit before. Apparently this is the King's room. That's a nice fireplace. I think we're pretty much done. So we're just gonna walk our way back to the bike. I think we've got what we wanted. It's just nice to have a National Trust place so close to home. In the summer we come here, just sit in the gardens, have a coffee, quick walk around. Right, just leaving the Goldolphin house now. I'm going to go across the road into the woods down by the bridge. See what it's like, see how many trees are down here, quite a few I expect. A lot of the woods here are not really passable, they are on foot, but not great for a bike. But it looks like there's quite a few trees down here as well. Whoop. A few down here, and a few down there. Right, I've left Goldolphin now. We're heading back towards Hale. Gonna get myself a pasty as usual. Trying to restrict to one a week now, on a Thursday probably. Here he comes. I think we might just go in this little park. I think we can get in here. See if we can find somewhere out of the wind. Harvey's Foundry Rope Works. This is quite nice. Didn't know this was even here. So I just want to say thank you very much for getting me over the 800 subscribers mark. So we're getting to 1,000 now. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. And I'll see you on the next one.